How to reverse a video on Instagram. In order to reverse a video on Instagram, first open up your Instagram application. And once you land on your Instagram page, if you head over to the Reels section right here, as you can see, you won't be able to see any of the reverse option here because Instagram does not provide you with a reverse option. If I tap on the three lines, as you can see, I can only translate the post, closed captions, interested, not interested, and manage content preferences. These are the only thing that I can change. And even if you try to upload a video on your story, here you will not get an option to edit the post and reverse it. So in this case, what you are going to have to do is head over to your Google Play Store and use a third-party apps like CapCut or InShot. Those are the best video editors out there in the market for now. So you could just go ahead and download these applications, and you're going to have to import the video that you want to reverse, and you could reverse it from here. And once you've imported the video, you could just go ahead and reverse it from here. If you tap on reverse, the video will be reversed. And once you export the video, you should be able to use it on Instagram. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.